I'm attorney Ryan McKeen, and one of the reasons I became a personal injury lawyer is I was in a pretty serious car accident when I was 18 years old. The Honda Accord that I was driving, that I had worked and saved for years as a paperboy to buy, was destroyed in a second. I was hurt in the accident. The person who T-boned me was also hurt. My girlfriend, who's now my wife, Allison, was in the car, and I'll never forget the T-bone just missed hitting Allison's door, and that's something that's never left me because if I was traveling a second faster, a little bit faster, the car accident I think could have been much, much worse. And I'll never forget how I felt. I'll never forget how much it hurt. I felt okay at the scene, but within hours later, I was in the emergency room. They diagnosed me with something called whiplash, and that was an immense amount of pain. I have a high pain tolerance. That was a lot. And then the insurance company started calling. They wanted statements. They wanted this. There were emergency room bills. There were all these things that I hadn't planned for, or wanted to deal with. And then there was the pain of trying to get better. Physical therapy was painful. I remember the exercises that they had me do to this day. And I just remember how wrong the whole thing felt. And I'm grateful that it wasn't all much worse, but my family, we weren't the type to sue people. We didn't sue people. That just wasn't what we did. But we had to reach out to a lawyer, and I'll just never forget what that meant, because problems that I was having as I was trying to get better were off my plate. As I'm sitting there in pain, my mom could just say, "Hey, no, talk to our lawyer. That person will help." And I'll never forget how critical that was in my healing process. So I dedicate my professional life to helping people in that situation, or even in worse situations. I can somewhat understand because I've been there myself. And it's our goal to provide you with a level of service and care to help you get better in your case.